With the development of technology, whether AI technology, blockchain technology, or social media, are changing the internet, traditional network marketing, the mode of making money online is also constantly advancing and changing. Dang makes money channel series video. In the form of concept explanation and case analysis, share the latest for everyone, the most cutting-edge online marketing skills and models, let you never miss every outlet and trend of making money, potential to realize rapid growth of wealth, before the show starts. Welcome to subscribe and open the small bell, so you won't miss every chance to make money. The content of this course is to introduce the concept of CTA, using CTA to improve conversion rate, and quickly generate high-quality marketing soft articles through CTA. And use CTA to sell CPA leads. The course is divided into the following parts: 1. Concept of call to action. 2. Common methods to improve conversion rate. 3. Use CTA and short links to improve conversion rate. For case study, use CTA tools to sell leads. 5. Course summary. 1. Introduction to call to action. Call to action, Chinese translation of CTA for short, is call to action. We can understand it as promoting potential customers to take action. We will use CTA for short in the following explanation, because our channel is online marketing. The theme of making money online, CTA, in the process of network marketing, it plays a role in improving product conversion rate. So today we will explain how to use CTA to quickly improve product conversion and demonstrate how to use CTA tool fast sales alliance marketing products. 2. Common methods to improve conversion rate. In the process of online marketing, if the flow is the most important, conversion is the second most important. For instance, in the process of alliance marketing, when we channel traffic to our pins when selling pages or landing pages, most potential customers will choose to leave this page instead of buying products right away, only stay to see your landing page. Then the customers who place orders are the real transformation. For an affiliate program, suppose 5 customers in 100 traffic have purchased goods. We can think that the conversion rate is 5%. To maximize the use of traffic, it is very important to improve the conversion rate. Generally speaking, internet marketing experts can use some tools to maximize customer retention. For example, free ebooks will be given away by subscribing to email pop-up to prevent users from leaving, jump to the product discount page, etc. Statistics show that the conversion rate can be significantly improved by using relevant tools. 3. Use CTA and short links to improve conversion rate. Must have been engaged in online marketing. Shueduo has used short URL websites. I was on a previous show, said how to link a ClickBank sales shortening method by shortening the URL. Our product conversion rate will also be improved, but the reason for this promotion, just because the link is shorter, better visual experience for potential customers. But if CTA function is added, the conversion rate will have a qualitative leap. Many internet practitioners believe that add CTA function to landing pitch, make the whole marketing process more interesting, more efficient. I will use a marketing case to explain how to use CTA tools to sell CPA leads and get orders quickly. For case of CTA plus CPA leads plus email marketing, after a brief understanding of CTA, I will use a marketing case now to lead you to have a deep understanding of how to apply CTA tools to sell alliance marketing products. First, we choose a CPA product to promote. Today we choose Partner Tag. Click on the CPC Leads product of Calm. Partner Stack is an alliance marketing platform. You can find it here. Alliance marketing with high commission. Project registration is also very simple. You can log in directly with your Google account. Go to the background page. We will find many alliance marketing projects. Sending Blue, it is a conversion rate and commission. Very high leads, as long as the project has new customers through your link. Try the free service of Sending Blue. You will get $5. If a customer has purchased a paid service, you'll get another $100 commission. It is also very simple to apply to become Sending Blood Assistant. You just need to fill in your basic information. You can start to promote before promotion. We should first understand the characteristics of this product customer type, so that we can quickly find the sales target. Sandinview is a person who, small enterprises provide mail management website for customer management and other services. Sandinview provides SMS for its users, email, online chat and other services, so as to strengthen the connection between enterprises and customers, whether online or offline. These businesses want customers frequently patronize their own websites or store and buy your own goods repeatedly. So these businesses need to communicate with their customers, building strong relationships to prevent their customers from leaving. And what we have to do, it means sending Blue by email, introduce to these merchants, let them know and buy this service. Before starting sales, we must make good preparations, that is to create a professional landing page. The traditional landing page design method is time-consuming and laborious. To improve the conversion rate, landing page must be carried out professional design. This is very challenging for novices in online marketing. CTA can help us solve this problem easily. First, we should promote the service according to today's. Select a keyword. The products to be promoted today are related to email marketing, so we can select a related keyword, such as why email is important to build relationships with customers. Then copy this keyword to Google. Select an article in the search results, soft text, suitable for us to sell Sending Blue products. We can read this article first. This article focuses on 5 aspects: how to strengthen through email marketing relationship with customers, and there is no promotion link. Now we will use this article to sell our products as marketing soft articles. First, copy the URL of this article. Next, we will enter the Snaply L. This is a website integrating short links and CTA. We can use this website. Take the article we just searched. Simple editing become our marketing articles or landing pages. Snaply registration is very simple. You can use your own Google Direct login with Twitter or Facebook account. Click Create Snap after logging into the background. Then click CTA. Enter message here. Let's enter get free access to email marketing tool. Then enter click here in the button text column. Finally, fill in your sales link in the URL. In this way, we can successfully write a good article into our own marketing soft articles. Click Next. We generate a short link with CTA. Now let's copy this short link to the browser. You can see the page processed by CTA on the bottom left of the screen. A floating window similar to Google Ads will appear, and very eye-catching. This is the application of CTA and short link. When your potential customers are browsing this article, learn how to use email marketing too when strengthening customer relationship. You'll see the banner in the lower left corner because our message says get free access to email marketing tool. That is to say, this customer, you can get this email marketing software for free compared with paid services. This title will be more attractive. When this customer clicks your sales link after entering the Sandinview website, it is very likely to register a free trial account. At this point, you get $5 of CPA income if the customer feels good after the trial and purchased paid services. You'll get another $100 sales commission. Now everything is ready. The question is how to get the email of the target customer. I recommend the simplest method. Open Google, search Los Angeles barbershops. We can see, basically, every beauty salon, all have their own website addresses. We know most customers in the beauty industry are repeat customers, so the shopkeeper really wants his customers. People will always spend in their own stores, so these shopkeepers are our target customers. We click to enter a website. At the bottom of the website, it's easy to find the email of this hairdresser address. Last step, send marketing emails to target customers. We copy the email written in advance to the mailbox, then add the short link with CTA just generated. Click Send Email. The owner of this hairdresser's shop, you can receive the soft message we recommended for him, although this article has a marketing link. But we are helping this store to get more stable customers. We also receive the corresponding commission. It can be said that it is a win-win thing. 5-course summary. Today I explained how to pass the email marketing plus short links plus CTA, the marketing strategy of CPA products. The same can be done used in various affiliate programs. You can use this method to sell any alliance, marketing products or services. This lesson is over. If you like this video, welcome to give me a like. If you have any questions and suggestions, welcome to leave a message for me. Thanks for watching.
Bye.